welcome back to my channel. My name is Janey. If you are new, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on all social media. So today we are going to be making DIY snow globes. Well, one snow globe. So I'm going to show you guys how I make snow globes for the Christmas season, so stay tuned. So some of the things you're going to need are super glue, some glitter, whatever it is that you want to be inside of your snow globe. I have a lamppost, a tree, well, a little plant, and then carolers, along with the mason jar I'm going to use, a bottle of water, and then you need coconut oil. You can use coconut oil, vegetable glycerin, or just clear Elmer's glue, but I'm out of everything else other than coconut oil. And this will just help for the glitter to fall in your water slower. So I'm going to put the lamppost here, and you can use other types of glue like a glue gun if you want to. I just prefer super glue because, well, it's super glue. So I'm gonna put this one over here, and then I think I want my tree beside it, and then carolers will be over here. You should probably set up exactly how you want it. Don't put anything too close to the rim because remember, you still have to cover it. So this is the way that it's probably gonna look. So now I'm gonna add some super glue to the bottom of my plant. More is more when it comes to this super glue because you don't want, because it's been sitting in water, for anything to start rising up. You want, once it's stuck, it's stuck. It is not going anywhere. So the bottom of my carolers needs a bunch of super glue as well. And then we're gonna put it right here. So then we're gonna put these to the side for the time being, just so they dry. And then we're gonna start putting our solution inside of our mason jar. Okay, so it is actually the next day, and I had to redo everything other than clearly having these already stuck, because when I was closing it, I didn't close it correctly and all of the filling fell onto the floor. So last time we were using coconut oil, but that was all the coconut oil I had left. So now we will be using the washable clear Elmer's glue. So what you're gonna want to do is you're probably gonna fill it up to, I'd say about here. I'm not sure how much that would be, but you want at least a ½ inch thick of glue at the bottom. So we are going to pour our glue in. I think that's good. Close this back up, and now I'm going to be extremely careful going forward because I do not want any more spillage. So now we're gonna take our glitter and put it directly on our glue before adding the warm water. Now this time we have silver glitter, and we're gonna put it all on top of our glue. And this was how it looks beforehand. And now we are going to add our warm water. I'm gonna fill it right to the rim, well, the bottom rim. And then we are going to put our cover on. Make sure this is secure. So now this is how it looks when we first cover it. And we are going to shake it up a little bit and then turn it over. And here you have your own snow globe. So if you guys have made it this far, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!